Good morning, students. So, students, today we will be revising with you the nomenclature part of organic chemistry. As you know, the syllabus has been done. So, in this revision video, we will be revising, or in fact letting you revise some basic concepts which were used to give IUPAC name to the organic compound. I will be straight away writing the formulas over here and or the compounds over here, and will be giving the name. I hope you will be definitely recapitulating what rules did we apply. Before that, I will let you revise in brief. While naming the organic compound, we select a root word which indicate the number of carbon atom in a continuous chain. Primary suffix indicate the nature of a carbon chain. Secondary suffix indicate the primary suffix indicate the nature of a carbon chain. Secondary suffix indicate the functional group, and the prefix is added to the root word, which are always treated as a substituent. Now, we will be revising through certain questions. Question is, give IUPAC name to the following compounds. Give IUPAC names to following compounds. Gives IUPAC name to the following compounds. So, we have certain compounds and we will be giving IUPAC name to the certain compounds. Here the first one is, suppose this is this compound. We have CH3 and then CH2 and then CH2 and then again over here is CH3. Suppose we want to give a name to this one. So, how many carbon atom? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 carbon atom, what is the root word? But. The name must begin with the capital letter. It will be but, single bonded ane. So, the name will be given as butane. Am I clear? Now, look at another one. Suppose we write down this one, CH3 and then CH2. Then again over here is the group CH2. Then CH2. Then we have CH2 and CH3 group. Suppose we want to give the name to this one. Now, how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many carbon atom are arranged in the state chain? 5. What shall be the root word? Pent. So, this will be pent. Single bonded ane. So, the name of this group will be given as pentane. Am I clear? Now, suppose we want to give the name to this compound, CH3, CH2 and then CH double bond CH2. How will I give the name to this one? How many carbon atom? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The name of the organic compound must begin with the capital letter. Numbering of the chain has to be done in such a manner so that the multiple bond gets the lower number. At what number the double bond is coming? 1. So, this will be but 1, ene will be the name. Am I clear? Now, suppose we have to give the name to this compound. This is CH2, double bond CH and then CH2, then CH and then double bond CH2. Here the double bond is occurring twice. If I number this chain, it will be 1, then 2, 3, 4. Numbering has to be done in such a manner so that the multiple bond gets the lowest possible number. This will be pent. Then 1, 4 and diene, and the name will be penta 1,4-diene. Why have I put A over here? Because the primary suffix begins with the multiplying affix. So, if the primary suffix begins with the multiplying affix like di, tri, tetra, etc., then the alphabet A must be added to the root word. Now, look at this one over here. If we have got this compound CH3 and then CH and then the group over here is CH3 and then CH. This is CH3 and then over here is the group CH3. Suppose we want to give a name to this compound. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Alkyl group will be treated as a substituent. For 4 carbon atom, what is the root word? It will be but. and then ane. At number 2 and 3, what is present? Methyl group. How many times does it occur? Twice. So this will be 2, 3, dimethyl, and butane will be the name which will be given to this compound. Am I getting clear? Now suppose we have to give the name to this compound. This is CH3, and then CH2, and then CH. This is C2H5. This will be CH, and then CH3, and then CH2, and then CH3. So how do we give the name to this compound? Look at this one very carefully. First will be the selection of the longest possible chain. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are present the 6 carbon atom. If I number from this side 1, 2, 3. If I number from this side 1, 2, 3. Both are getting the number 3 position from the either side. But here this is which group? Ethyl. This is which group? Methyl. So if the different alkyl substituent gets the same locant number from the either side, then the numbering must be done in such a manner so that the one which comes alphabetically first gets the lower locant number. So I will be numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Why have I numbered from this side? Because ethyl group is getting a lower number. For 6 carbon atom, what is the root word? Hex. Single bonded ane. At number 3, what is present? Ethyl. Number 4, what is present? Methyl. They are to be written in the alphabetical order. So this will be written as 3 ethyl and then 4 methyl, and this will be hexane. So the name of this group will be given as 3 ethyl 4 methyl hexane. Am I getting clear? Look at another one. Suppose we want to give a name to this one, CH3, and then over here is CH, this is Br. Then again over here we have CH, and this will be Cl, and this compound will be CH3. Here in this case, the two substituents are the halo substituent. They are of the same seniority. So here again, and both are getting the number 2 from the either side. If I number from here, bromine is getting number 2. If I number from here, chlorine is getting number 2. So in that case, if they are of the same seniority, numbering must be done in such a manner. So the substituent which comes alphabetically first gets the lower number. This will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. For 4 carbon atom, what shall be the root word? It will be but and then ane. At number 2, what is present? Bromo. Number 3, chloro. So this will be 2 bromo, or ye kya aayega? This will be 3 chloro. So this will be 2 bromo, 3 chloro, butane. Am I clear, student? So if the different substituent of the same seniority are getting the equivalent position, then the numbering has to be done in such a manner that the one which comes alphabetically first gets the lower locant number. Is it getting clear or not? Suppose we have got this compound. This is CH2 or CH3, then CH2, and then we have CH, then triple bond CH. We have got this compound over here. We have to give a name to this compound. Fine. We have to give a name to this compound. If we give the name to this one, this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. For 4 carbon atom, what is the root word? Root word will be but. If we consider this one over here, root word over here will be but. So just see this one over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 carbon atom, the root word will be but. At triple bond is present at what number? 1. And this will be wine. It must begin with the capital letter. So this will be but1 wine is the name which will be given to this compound. Now, if you look at the another one over here, I have told you certain functional group may be present. Suppose the compound is this one. This is CH2, or we may say over here CH3, then CH2, and then CH2, and then CH2OH. Suppose we want to give a name to this compound. So this will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. For 4 carbon atom, the root word will be what? But. Single bonded ane and then 1 ol, or we will say the name to this will be given as butanol. Is it clear? What is the functional group here? OH. What is the secondary suffix for this will be ol. Now, if you look at another example, like this one, CH3 and then CH2 and then over here will be CH. This will be OH and then the group over here will be CH3. Suppose we have to give the name to this one. This will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. For 4 carbon atom, the root word will be what? But. It is single bonded, it will be ane. OH group is present at what number? 2. So this is butane 2-ol, or we may name it as 2-butanol. This is 2-butanol. Am I getting clear, student? Suppose we have to give the name to this compound. This is CH3 and then CH2. This is CH2 and then CHO. CHO is what group? Aldehyde group. What is the secondary suffix for this? Al. So this will be 1, 2, then 3 and then 4. For 4 carbon atom, what is the root word? It will be but. Single bonded ane and the suffix will be al. So the name of this will be butanol. Is it getting clear or not? Now look at this one. Suppose we get this one, CH3 and then CH2. Here we write down C double bond O and then O and then H. And we want to give the name to this one. This is 1, this will be 2 and this will be 3. For 3 carbon atom, what is the root word? This will be prop. Single bonded ane and the suffix will be oic acid. So the name of this will be given as propanoic acid. Is it clear? Suppose we have got this compound CH2 and then C double bond O, OH. Then again over here we have got the group CH2 and then C double bond O and OH. Suppose we have to give the name to this compound. So how will we give this one? This will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. For 4 carbon atom, what is the root word? It will be but. Single bonded ane. At 1 and 4 number, what is present? 1, 4. This will be di, oic and acid. Since it begins with the word D, so it will be butane 1,4-dioic acid. Am I clear, student, over here? So the name of this group will be given as butane 1,4-dioic acid. Let us see some more examples over here. If we say we have to give a name to this compound over here, likewise this way. This is CH3 and then CH2 and then C double bond O and then CH2 and then CH3. Which group is this, students? Keto group. What is the secondary suffix for keto group? On. Numbering has to be done in such a manner so that the keto group gets the lower possible number. If I number from here, it gets number 3. If I number from here, it gets number 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For 5 carbon atom, the root word will be pent, ane, 2 or on. Or we may call it as 2-pentanone. 2-pentanone. Removing the word E from there. So what is the name given to this one? 2-pentanone or pentane 2-on. This is 2-pentanone. I think I shall be very, very clear to you, student. Suppose we have got this compound, CH3 and then CH2 and O and CH3, and we want to give a name to this one. So this will be 1, 2. For 2 carbon atom, the root word will be what? Ethane. What is the prefix for alkoxy? This is alkoxy group at what number? 1. So this will be 1-methoxyethane. Is it clear, student? So this is how the IUPAC system of nomenclature is to be done. We have done this with you earlier. Today, I have let you revise how to give the name to the organic compound by giving certain examples of a nomenclature system. Hopefully, you must have revised or you must have understood the various examples I have given to you. In our next lecture, we will come with the revision work of some other important discussion. Till then, thank you. We will meet again in the next lecture. Thank you.